friends, welcome to Digital Trade YouTube channel. On this channel I talk about SaaS product reviews, online money making, internet marketing and technology. So if you are interested in any of this, make sure you subscribe. In this video I'll be talking about a tool called as Writesonic. Now you must have seen their ads on your Facebook account. Now they are a AI writing tool basically. So with them you can write your articles, you can write your sales copy, cold emails, personal bios, company bios and much more. I have used many AI writing tools, but this one has far more great results. The language is more natural. I'm also leaving a link in the description that you can use to join for some special discounts and offers. Now let's go to my laptop screen and see the tool in action. Now we are on the website of writesonic.com. So this is how the website looks like. Talking about the pricing plan. Um, As you can see, they provide you with 10 credits free of cost. So 10 credits are free, but if you want more credits, you need to buy their basic, professional or startup plan depending on your requirement. So now let's go to the dash. Before going to the dashboard, I would like to show you. I would like to show you that they have their demo of Facebook ads. So instead of going to the main website and showing how the Facebook ads work, they have their inbuilt demo that they directly show you. Like once you click on it, you can see that. Like suppose you are selling your yoga classes and you want to create a Facebook ad for it. So you need to write the name of the ad. You need to describe the product that you are selling on Facebook. If there is a special occasion like Black Friday or Christmas, you need to type in. You need to type in the promotion. If you are offering some discount, you need to type in and just click on generate ad. This is the demo that you can do on the website itself that I will show you in few minutes. So this is how the ads are created for us. Join Yoga International for a Rejuvenity Christmas season, save 20%. So they have created 5 samples of the ad. The best you like, if you like something, you can use it for your Facebook ads. Now let's go to the website itself. So let's go to dashboard. So as you know that you get 10 credits for free to try the things. Now you just need to type in the project name, testing. I will type in anything. It does not matter much. So once the project is created, you will see that there are templates. There are 40 plus templates for you to try based on your requirement. Maybe you need Facebook ads that we just recently talk about, right? Facebook ad. So you can use the same thing that we did here and you can generate your copy for it. You may want cold email articles, etc. Depending on your requirement, you can use the template. Now I will show you how to write an article. So just choose the article. Now they have some different version of article writing automation tools, but the latest one is AI writing 3.0. So that generates the best possible article copy for you. So just choose that one. And the first step will be to write the topic of your article. So maybe I'm typing 5 best way to generate leads for business. That is the article topic I'm writing about. Now you need to click here and it will consume your 1 credit. So that's the first step. Now you need to choose which article topic title you like the most. So I like this one, 5 powerful ways to generate leads for your business. So I'll just choose that one. And now the second step will be to creating an intro of your article. So all you have to, you can edit the title if you do not like. 5 powerful ways to generate leads for your business. Once you are final with them, just click on generate intro and it will automatically generate an intro for you. And now you need to read the intro and choose the best one that you think is good for your article, or you can also edit it from here if you want to make some changes. So I'll just choose this one And now the third step will be to, now you can also edit this intro as per your requirement. Now the third step will be to create an outline. So basically all the titles of your articles, H2 titles, that will be created as an outline. So choose the one that you like. So I will choose this one. I like this one, so I am choosing that one. And the final step will be to generate a blog or draft article. Now, again, you can move these titles up and down as per your requirement. You can add more titles if you want, H2 titles if you want for your article, or you can delete them. Now, once you have finalized with your article title, intro, and outline, all you have to do now is click on write an article. It will consume 6 credits of yours. You can also choose the language you want the article to be in, but I will go with English. So just click on write an article and it will create an article for you now on the right hand side. So as you can see, the article has been generated for us. Let me show you. So this is the title of our article, 5 powerful ways to generate leads for your business. This is the intro of our article. These are the sections, outline, create a video type blog. Second outline will be write and blog post. So these are the 5 ways to generate leads for your business. You can edit it as per your requirement. So that's how you do it, and there is also a conclusion. So I think this is one of the best AI writer I have used, and they are more natural, their language, and you can also edit the words. So you can see it has generated a 1000 words article for me. You can also save this article for later reference, and you can also download this article in the word format. Let me open this. As you can see, this is our article. So this is the article that is generated for us, and you can easily take this article and directly publish on your website. So just take this article and publish on your website. That's how you generate an article using AI tool. Now I would like to show you some other things. Let us start with feature to benefit. Basically, you need to write your product description and the features it provides, and it will generate a copy for you. I already written few sentences. So this is the sentence I already written. Basically, Xeom Apps is a no-code business app that can help any business owner to create an app without having any coding knowledge. So that's the description I have written. In the feature section, I am writing customized no-code business app. Any feature of your product you can write over here. So ours is a customized no-code business app. So that's what it is. And now I will just click on generate feature to benefit, and you can see on the right hand side the software will generate 5 unique copies for me. No code app development with your map, you can create no code business app for your business. They are highly customized and integrate with your, save time and money with pre-built apps that are ready to go, whether you want to manage your workflow, keep track of your customers. So this is how they are creating a feature to benefit app. So basically we type in all the features that our app or product provides, and they give you a sentence describing all the benefits of that using the features that you provide, right? For example, mine is a Xeom app, so it's a no-code business app. It is highly customizable and integrates with your business workflow. So this is how the benefit they wrote. Xeom apps offer customized no-code business app for your business. You can create highly customizable business app without the steep learning curve or the need to code. So that's how they form their sentences. Now let us see other things. Now let us see how YouTube titles can be created. So now there are many things, but I will show you few of them which I find interesting. Um, Now I will just go to the YouTube titles, and again I will type in the product description or what the video is all about. So video description I will type in. So in the video description I have written a bill expense app. Now this is another app suppose I have, and anyone can use it to report their expenses of their company. So I have written the description. I am making a video with this app describing this app. And the search term is basically what the YouTube viewers will type in into the search bar. So anyone who want to have bill expense app, they will type in expense reporting app. So you can choose the tone of the voice. Professional is sounds good for my purpose, and I will just generate YouTube titles. So they will be eye catching, as you can see. Um, a list of video titles, YouTube titles are provided to me. So as you can see, bill expense app review, how to get a free expense reporting app, a unique tool to manage daily basis. So YouTube, you can have any YouTube video and you want to have some attractive video title, you can use this feature. Now let's start with other thing like listicle ideas. So basically, suppose you are writing a topic for your article and you want a list, a title that contains a list like top 5 ways to make money online. So this is like a list, right? Top 5 ways. So this is listicle ideas basically. So let's see how it works. So I will just go to the listicle ideas and I will type in online money making. Suppose I am writing an article on online money making, how you can make money online. So I will just search this term and generate a listicle ideas. So as you can see, 6 ways to make money online without a website, 10 easy ways to make money online, how to make money online, the 10 best ways. So these are some listicles that I can use as a video article title for me, for my article. So that's how it works. Now the last thing that I would like to show you is Amazon product description. So suppose you have any product and you want to have a description for that. So all you have to do is give the name of your product. Maybe I will give tasty. I am selling pizza toppings maybe. So I will just type in tasty pizza toppings, or my name of the product is tasty pizza toppings. So I will just copy this short description from here. So I just wrote anything. So don't worry about the copywriting skills. They are very poor. So yeah, that's why we are using this software, right? So just click on this and it will take one credit and it will generate a product description for you if you're selling anything on your Amazon or any e-commerce website. So as you can see, baking pizza at home is a struggle. How to get that perfect crust, that crunchy topping? We found the solution. Tasty pizza topping of freshly made with no preservative and with low sugar. Our pizza topping are your only choice when it comes to taste and quality. The only thing you need to worry about is what topping to choose. So yeah, these are all the things that you get, right? So this is how you generate product description. So that's over sums everything. But I would like to show you that you can do different things. You can generate LinkedIn ads, Google ads, Facebook ads, product description, product titles, Amazon product features. You can use the AIDA framework, Agitate solutions. Let me show you how it works. Pain Agitate solution or AIDA platform restore. What is AIDA basically? It is attention, interest, desire, and action. So these are the three framework you can use as a sales copy that works best. So I'll just copy the description that you already have here, right, about the app. So if I have this something and I'm just typing the product description and I just generate attention, interest, desire, copy. So this can be helpful for writing your email copy to hook the user who are reading it. So yeah, you can see that it will generate the copy for me now. So as you can see that the software has generated attention. Do you need an app for your business that you can use in any of your email copy, marketing copies, interest? Your Maps can help you create a customizable, easy to use app for your business. Our apps are highly customizable, so that gets the interest of the person who is reading it. Your marketing copy, desire. Create a mobile app in minutes with our no-code platform that is tailored to your needs. You'll need to manage it from anywhere and make so it generates the desire from inside the reader who is reading your email marketing copy. Action. Click this ad now to learn more how we can help you build the perfect app for your business. So basically, it helps you. It asks the user to take some action, maybe to sign up for on your um, e- to your product, etc. That's how it is. Now you can also do other things like you can write product names, growth idea, keyword extractor, startup ideas. You can get social media tools are there, website tools are there, cold emails. You can write cold emails. You can write email subject lines. Suppose let me show you. Suppose I am selling B2B leads. So I am selling B2B leads for business owners. So I'll just type in a description. Just typing in anything. You can choose the industry. So the industry is my entrepreneurs. So that is what the industry I'll be choosing. And yeah, again you can write it. If you choose the industry, the this is what I wrote, and I will just type in. I will just generate the subject lines now. Based on that, as you can see, get 20 high quality B2B leads at no charge. Are you a business owner? Get some leads today. Need leads? Get some now. So yeah, that's how you generate leads, or you can say subject lines for your email using this. So yeah, there are some other tools that you could try. So let me conclude. So as you saw that this app has a very high potential. I have used many AI writing tools, but this comes very close to your natural language. I have used many tools and I have showed you right live of how you can generate articles for yourself. Now, if you need some discount or you need some special offers, make sure you use the link that I have given in the description to join. You get free 10 credits for free. So you can always test if you want to buy them or not. So I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.